SmarHub's budget gauge tool can be used to help manage your electricity bill by comparing your actual electricity usage to a monthly budget target set by you. After logging into your SmarHub account on a desktop or laptop, you can access the tool from the homepage. To ensure you are on the SmarHub homepage, click the San Isabel Electric Association logo in the top left corner. From the homepage, click Bill and Pay. From the Bill and Pay drop-down menu, click Budget Gauge. On the Budget Gauge tool page, a meter is on the right. Adjustable features for that meter are to its left. Enter your target monthly budget in the Target Monthly Budget box, or adjust your target with the orange slider. Based on the target amount you set, this line will demonstrate how close your usage is to your budget goal. Finally, click Save to Profile to add this tool to your homepage for quick access.